we use all the tricks that we can to try and steal my audience back from Sean O'Rourke. I mean, I built a great audience for Sean, and he's done very well to hang on to a lot of it. It's a slow grow. We got a big jump in listenership as soon as I moved across, but there is an inertia which I'm very conscious of, because in every household there is the kitchen radio that tends to be tuned to the one thing. Now in your car it's different, and that's why I think that drive time programs, be it morning drive time or evening drive time, they've got to be on the money to keep their audiences, because if you don't like what George is saying, bang, you're into Mary Wilson or Matt Cooper, bang, 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 push button. Most kitchen radios don't have the push button, so they tend to be, you're having your cornflakes and something comes on one channel that you're a bit bored with, or a song, if you're into music radio, you don't like. You're just too lazy to get up from the cornflakes and change it. In your car, bang, you're gone. So I think that inertia is something that you have to fight.